What's going on, gang? Here with another video. Today we're gonna be working on this rim right here. It's leaking air, one of the spokes, so I marked it right there. And come to find out is this one right here. So we're gonna do some old school stuff. We're gonna reseal this rim. I'm gonna show you how to do it. We basically had to just take off this shit and replace it. It's just silicone. All right, gang, as you can see, I changed again. I ain't trying to get dirty because this stuff makes a mess. So I got my mask, so I'm breathing stuff in. Got my glasses, and this is what I got. I bought this like Harbor Freight for like 15 bucks. It's just like wire brush wheels and stuff like that to help you take this off. It's basically just silicone. So I'm gonna grind all this off while you're around. Even clean up right here at the edges so it can have a nice seal. And then I'm gonna reseal it. I'm gonna use this one first. I'm also gonna be putting on the OJ gloves on. If you guys want to learn how to reseal these rims, I'm gonna put a video of me doing it step by step. Went to the Home Depot and I grabbed this stuff. Supreme silicone, 100% silicone. All right, so it's the next day and this thing is completely dry. It's very solid. It's a little rubbery, but it's really good. So we're gonna go ahead and mount that tire back on. I'm gonna take it to the tire shop and hopefully, cross my fingers, that it does not leak. All right, we loaded up in the Jeep already. And now we're gonna head out tire shop. All right, I forgot to record it, but it passed the test, guys. No leaks. All right, gang, I got the spokes, the rim back. No leaks at all. Now it's time to mount them on the box Chevy. If y'all are familiar with these type of rims, they're knockoffs. So these red ones, the red go on the right side. These white ones go on the left side. So you need bolt up these first, and then the rim goes on. And then this is what actually holds the entire rim, is this knockoff. You spin it until it locks in. See, someone knocked the shit out of this one. But these are brand new. And this knockoff is not brand new. I'll probably get new ones later, like gold ones or something, so I could give it a little bit of different look to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and bolt them on right now. All right, so the red ones, the right side ones, are the right side, which is the passenger. Left side is the driver's side. So when you're in the back of the car, like where I'm at right now, right side, left side. So that way you're not confused. I'm gonna take off this side now. I don't know if y'all can tell, but back in the day, Your boy Mr. DLC used to steal a lot of hubcaps, you know what I'm saying? Damn, gang, look at all that spider webs in there. There's a lot of spider webs and stuff and leaves. This shit hasn't been changed out in a long time. Mr. WD-40 would have a heart attack if seeing this. All right, gang, now we're gonna put on the knockoff piece, the adapter. So this is a universal. It has like 15 holes. It's 5 on 5 on 5 on 4.5 and 5 on 4.75. Put the same nuts back. Make sure they're open-ended like this. I'm using the same ones I took off. Now for my boy Mr. WD-40, we're gonna use this WD-40. Now we'll go to the other side and do the same thing. But on this side, we're gonna put the red one. I'm gonna put the red adapter on this side. Out with the old, my friends. All right, gang, we got it in already. So these rims with these spinners on the right side, they tighten up to the left. And the ones on the other side is righty-tighty. Over here is the opposite. And on these things right here, they say right side too. Right side, and it tells you where to spin it. Left on is this way. So you're actually loosening it to put it on. Hit it with this mallet, but it's because these things are already messed up. But you're supposed to hit it with a lead mallet. And then I'm gonna order the new ones anyways, and these are already beat up, so I'm hitting it with this. Okay, you got that one on. That was nice and tight. Now we're going the other side. All right, so on this side, remember, like I said, the other one was lefty, was tightening it. Over here is like normal, righty-tighty. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drop it. What y'all think? Y'all messing with the spokes or the originals? All right, now it's time to do the front ones. We're gonna do the two front ones. Now, these rims are staggered, so the ones in the back are 22s, and these front ones are 20s. Put on the wrong one. That's the other side. Had a little blooper, you know what I'm saying? Brand new. On these brand new ones, what I like to do is put a little bit of grease, just like that. It's got some wheel bearing grease. I just put it on the thread so it won't lock. All right, gang, so I put all of them on already. Gang, here it is. What y'all think? I haven't even washed it or cleaned the rims or anything, but man, I kind of like the look. The only thing I don't like is that those tires are too skinny in the front. Since those are 20s and those are 22s, the front ones, I don't know, I may have to get a bigger tire. And man, I kind of want to go with the Volks look too, so it can look more classy. But man, it's come a long way, this box Chevy. Y'all seen the first videos? This thing was clapped out. It was a good car, but it needed a lot of work. It was abandoned and stuff. But we revived it. I mean, for the most part, man, shit, I'll cruise it, man. I don't know about y'all, but I seen they put the trims that go right there. I have them. But man, I like the way it's looking. But man, with the Volks, and then when I finish the top, finish the trim, put some sounds in it, definitely needs to be washed. But man, I think it's looking good, huh? And I want to put some dual exhaust, man. I don't know if I should put them coming out through here or straight out the bumper. I want like those nice chrome pipes. But man, look at that. All right, y'all. This pretty much does it for this video. I don't know about y'all, but this the way it's looking, it's kind of giving me like that old school Chicago vibes when I used to live out there. But yeah, let me know what y'all think, man. To me, it's coming out pretty good. We're definitely gonna put some dual exhaust, man, because it kind of sounds weak. I mean, it is weak. It's a 305, but they can sound a little bit more beefier. But there it is, right there, guys. Definitely gonna have to get the Vogues on it pretty soon. I know they're a little pricey, but we'll get it done. I'll catch up on the next one.
Number one.
He was burning his tires.
My God, yeah, right?
Hell yeah. Man, gang. So we really burned out right here. All right, gang. 5-0 just showed up. Trying to leave. Got these little kids stuck in there. Cuz pulled up and fucked up his truck. Damn it.